In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward and will allow you to tailor your forms to your preferred language. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft 365. You can use any search engine you prefer. Just type in Microsoft 365 in the search bar and hit enter. This action directs you to the Microsoft 365 homepage. It's essential to ensure you're accessing the official Microsoft site for security reasons. After you land on the homepage, it will display various Microsoft services available to you. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. This link will typically take you to the Microsoft 365 login page. Here you'll need to enter your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you might need to complete that process as well. Logging in securely ensures that your account remains protected. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Microsoft 365 dashboard where all your applications are accessible. From there, click your profile icon or initials in the top right corner and select View Account, or you may see an option for My Office Profile. This step is crucial because it brings you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your profile. Your profile icon is usually a small circle with your initials or a picture. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, allowing you to navigate to your account settings easily. Now, click your info. This section provides you with detailed information about your account. Here you can check your personal details, security settings, and importantly, your language preferences. Accessing this section is a necessary step toward changing your language settings in Microsoft Forms. It helps ensure that all changes you make are saved to your account profile. After that, locate the Language and Time Zone pane section. This section is typically found within your account info. It will show you the current display language and time zone settings. Finding this section is important because it is where you will make adjustments to your language preferences. You will see options that allow you to set your language and time zone to match your preferences for better usability. With that ready, under Display Language, click the arrow icon to its right. This arrow icon usually looks like a small drop-down or triangle. Clicking it will open a list of available languages. This step allows you to see all the language options that Microsoft offers. Choosing the correct display language is crucial as it affects how all your Microsoft applications appear, including Microsoft Forms. Next up, search for your preferred language, select it, and click Change Display Language. When you find your desired language in the list, simply click on it to highlight your choice. Then, look for the button that says Change Display Language and click it. This action will apply your language preference across your Microsoft applications. It's a simple but powerful change that ensures your experience is personalized and comfortable. Once you have completed these steps, your language settings should be updated successfully. This small adjustment can greatly enhance your productivity and comfort when using Microsoft Forms. You can now create forms in your preferred language, making it easier to communicate with your audience. Thank you for following along and enjoy using Microsoft Forms in your chosen language.